Who by the side?
She's by the fire?
Yeah.
Hopefully she doesn't get too warm, huh?
Yeah. Who has a dead bird?
Yeah?
Yeah.
MJ, don't eat that, girl. Who you eating that? Hi, MJ's.
Hey, Dad.
Yes?
Who's that?
What is it?
Yeah, who's that?
The fire?
Yeah, who's that?
Those the other wood. You close it? You want me to close it?
Yeah.
Oh, she won't get hurt.
Well, I know how it.
You can walk over there too. It's warm by the fire.
Wow, it's warm.
Hmm.
It is warm. Think of that.
You gonna eat a French fry?
Yeah. Cheese. Wow, don't eat it. Hand is out. Okay.
I love you.
I want to see you.
I love you to the moon and back.
Hey, this is a word.
So you say, I love Jesus?
Yeah, what's Jesus?
Say, I love Jesus.
What's Jesus? Hello?
Say, who is it?
It's Mom.
Is it Mommy? Is it Lily? Livy. Is it Livy?
Yeah, it's between Mom.
Say hello.
Hello. Mom's at home. It is at home too.
Yeah.
This is right. What is
Say,
that?
want me to sing You Are My Sunshine to you?
Yes, sunshine.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know just how much I love you. So please don't take my Uriah away. MJ, what are you doing? She got caught by this and she's running all around all crazy.